Hi, all right. It's Kurek Ashley, as you know, and I am in a crazy mood and I want to do something really crazy, and I'll tell you why. I'm creating a new program, a new course, and I just want some great content, some feedback. So I really need your help on this, and I'll tell you how this works. Is what I want to know is think about this for a second. Are you a coach? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a business owner? Are you in network marketing? And the reason I ask that is do you feel that when you have a client, when you have a customer and they purchase or you're using your services or your products, that you have a lot of confidence that you do a great job? Is that you, that you really go, man, when I'm in it, I'm really in it. I do a great job. Maybe you're having a challenge getting the clients, that's okay. But when you give that service, when you sell that product and they're using it, that it's awesome. And if that's you right now, what I want you to do in the comments below is I want you to first promote your business and what you do by saying who you are, what business you're in, what is it that you do, why you think you're so awesome at doing it, like what makes you so great at doing it. And by the way, don't be shy, and I'll tell you why. There's a reward to this. And also is how long have you been doing it? So put that in the comment below, and I'm going to read every one of them. And the person that I choose is going to win a prize of getting 3 months of coaching with me for free. Now, you want to take your business to the next level. You want to take your life to the next level. I'm the guy. That's what I do, and I've been doing it for a long time. So that's the prize. But you're gonna have to participate. If you don't participate, well, you can't win. It's kind of like what they say about the lottery: is you can't win unless you buy a ticket. Except for the odds of you winning this are a lot better than the lottery is, obviously, right? So tell me what business you're in, or what product or service you have, how long you've been doing it, and why you think you're so great or wonderful when you get that client, or when you have somebody purchase your product, why you think it's so great or you're so great at doing it. And I really want to hear your passion in this. And like I said, the person I select, who I think has the best answer, the most enthusiastic, the most passionate, is going to win 3 months of coaching with me. And that's weekly coaching every week for 3 months. And you want to talk about a game changer. This is it. It will take your business to the next level. It will certainly take your life to the next level. So I look forward to your responses right in the comments below. Have a most incredible, outstanding day. Talk to you soon.